In this part we'll continue the work on the beautiful butterfly made in Romanian point lace technique. Now I show you how to fill up the bottom part of the wing. With the needle run through the stitches. With the needle go through the stitches of the cord. With the needle go through the stitches of the cord. Then go back with the needle go through the stitches. With the needle go through the stitches. We have done the base for the brides. Now I wrap each base 1 and 2. Like this. Work with the second base. And wrap this foundation. Pull a little bit. With the needle go through the stitches of the cord. We have done 2 brides. Then you should continue working till the end of this space. You should with the needle go through the stitches. Let's make the next base. With the needle go through the stitches and with the needle go through the stitches of the cord. With the needle go through the stitches. Now wrap twice. And pull a little bit. With the needle go through the stitches. And so on. I have done brides. They were made of black color of yarn. I change color of yarn and now I'm working with white color. With the needle go through the stitches of the cord. With the needle go through the stitches. And wrap this foundation twice. Pull a little bit, like this. With the needle go through the stitches. And so on. I have done the bottom part of wing. Now let's make the eyes for the butterfly. I left 2 yarns. With the needle go through the stitches of the cord. Let's make the first eye. With the needle go through the stitches of the cord. Now I'm going to work with spiral picot. Now let's rub the sewing needle 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then take the working yarn, pull it through. Pull a little bit. Here what we have. With the needle go through the stitches and pull a little bit. The eye is ready. With the needle go through the stitches. Then you should make the second eye in the same way. I have done 2 eyes. Now I show you how to make antennaes. Now let's make antennaes. I take the crochet hook and yarn. I take black color of yarn. I leave 15 centimeters of the yarn. Now make the first loop. Make a chain of 30. I have done 30 chains. I cut off the yarn and I need to leave 15 centimeters. Here what we have. Pull up the working loop. I take the sewing needle, take the yarn through the sewing needle, put the yarn through the sewing needle. Now make the spiral picot. Insert the sewing needle into the last chain. And wrap 15 times around the sewing needle. Take the working yarn, pull it through. The picot is ready. With the needle go through the chain, pull a little bit. With the needle go through the same chain. With the needle go through the stitches of the picot. I cut off the yarn. Then you should make picot in the same way on the opposite side. We did 2 antennaes that consist of a long chain and 2 picots. I have sewn this antenna to the main body part. The butterfly is ready. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel and please visit our store. Thanks for watching.